And, that was the alarm for the fabulous application problem going off. I'll stop that. We're going to do the concept development, and I'm giving myself 5 minutes to do this. Notice how Mr. Leggett doesn't make these too long. So you always have a chance to thoroughly do this and take a little break. No, there's no excuse for skipping over things. All right, let's start. Concept development, as I like to say. Represent 2 times 324 with disk and write a matching equation and record the partial products vertically. So first thing we're going to do is make a place value chart. And we're looking at 2 times 324, so I better make a 3-column chart. And you might be saying, Mr. Leggett, how come I can't just use the one that's in my book? Well, because I think this really gets us thinking about place values, ones, tens, and hundreds. Okay, so go ahead and make that place value chart. And yes, indeed, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, damas y caballeros, we are indeed the copycats. All right, what's our number we're working with? 324. 4 ones, and I'm making those little dots like this, not circles. 2 tens, and 3 hundreds. Would you agree with me that this is 324? I hope so, because that's what it represents, 324. Now we're going to be multiplying by 2, but we're also doing a matching equation and record the partial products vertically. So let's go ahead and set that up. 324 times 2. So first up is 4 times 2. You know that. We've done enough multiplication review. But let's go ahead and show the disk, and then over here on the vertical equation. So 4 times 2. Doop, 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 doop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 4, 8. What do we have? 4 times 2 is 8. Now this isn't in the Eureka math book. This is something that Mr. Leggett just likes to do. He says, okay, see ya. The 4 is done. We're through multiplying the 4 right now. All right, we're going to be multiplying 20 times 2. All right, there's 20. There's 2 groups of 20. 10, 20, 30, 40. 20, 40. 40. Right there. We can say goodbye to the 2. Now we're multiplying 300 times 2. 300 times 2. There's 300 times 1, right? Remember our fluency practice? 300 times 1. Here comes 300 times 2. 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 300, 600. Looks like it is 600. Okay, so let's do a quick review. 4 times 2 is 8. 20 times 2 is 40. 300 times 2 is 600. And we can see that right here. 4 times 2 is 8. 20 times 2 is 10, 20, 30, 40. 300 times 2, 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600. All right, let's add. 8 plus 0 plus 0 is 8. 40 plus 0 is 40. There's our 48. And 600 plus nothing is 600. And there's our answer. 648 with 6, 4, and 8. And there you have problem 1 of our concept development. Alrighty, I'm going to go over here to the screencast by button, hit it, and hit, what do? I hit this. I'm looking to hit stop recording. Go ahead and take a little break after this grueling math problem. Get some water, use the restroom, run around the outside of your house, feed the dog, pet the cat, maybe feed the goat. Most of you have goats. Brush the horse. Come on back for concept development part 2.